1273. My mother does not love me, nor does anyone in my family.
Coco, you're here?
Am I supposed to be home? Devastated. Oh, you know what? I'm fresh out of fucks to give. Do you have any fucks? Do you have any fucks? Do you have any fucks? Troy, we are all out of fucks.
I set them near the ice. Look, bust them, but the spice. Right, I stop on the back.
You make me this, bring me up, bring me down. Play sweet, make me move like a freak. Mr. Sexo beat.
I never snitch on you, daddy.
No.
I hold a brick for you, daddy. Smash on a bitch for you, daddy.
No, come on.
Let's get ate like a steak. I'm a cream on your face, little daddy.
No!
Can I have this? No. What about this? That is the same person.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry I tripped over your fat fucking cankles. No, that's my bad. I definitely should have saw them dragging 6 feet behind you. That's on me. But maybe next time we could tuck your fat fucking cankles into your fat fucking Uggs.
Well. Congratulations. You are the first student ever to come to my office 10 times in 1 week. You have completed another punch card. Does that mean you're gonna beat my ass again? Oh no, sweetheart. That's why I called him in. What? Oh no. Come here, motherfucker!
That's my only advice. Come on now, who do you think you are?
Daddy?
Yeah.
What the? Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you? Who you is? Who you be? Huh? I don't even know your ass. Who the fuck are you?
You better get in there and go save her.
I'm not getting in there. You get in there.
I'm not going anywhere. I got a backpack on. You don't get in water with a backpack. Everybody knows that.
That is the stupidest dance move I've ever seen.
Who put you on the planet?
Wake up in the morning feeling like I already despise you.
Fuck away from me, you stupid ass fucking bitch!
Did he not die?
Whoa!
Where's the candy you promised me earlier? There's no candy. Oh, why not? Because I'm kidnapping you. Cool. I'm taking you back to the lair. We'll use alternate methods to get information from you. Oh, so like a trade? Yes? So you'll give me candy there then? No, we're gonna torture you. Okay, guess I'll have to finesse some from your pals since you're being so extra. Are you not at all upset that you're being kidnapped and interrogated? I mean, it is what it is. I'm in need of quenching. Quenching? Eat me some chilled H2O with the Freezy Boys? What the hell are you saying? Agua, water, with some cold cubes of clear ecstasy. I'm not getting you anything, okay, boomer? Excuse me? This is a nice blindfold, my dude. I'm starting to think I got the wrong kid. Like when you walk into a room and forget why you came in there, so instead you call up your homie and discuss the ancestry of the dragon fruit? What? Mood, bro. It'd be like that sometimes. Would you just shut up? Manners much? Cause that ain't it, chief. Stop talking. Oof, you giving off some high-key bad vibes, no cap.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Mom, I have to write a paper on my parents' biggest regret. Oh, look in the bathroom above the sink. Right in the bathroom above the son of a bitch.
I'm white. I'm black. I'm yellow. I'm red.
I'm a bird.
You get so strong. Well, actually, Kachan, I'm the successor of All For One, and All Might chose me as his protege, and he didn't choose you, and you're a loser, and no one likes you. What?
I'm sipping alcohol like there's no tomorrow, but there's school tomorrow. I lift my head up and the world's on fire, and fuck, there's school tomorrow.
What's poppin'? Don't mind me just watching.